Hey everyone, Office Boy Builder here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well. I've been off for a little while. I appreciate that. Not ideal, and sorry if you've been waiting on content. I'm back for a very quick video, and like Russell Crowe, I've been off screen for a while and I've come back and I'm a bit chubby. I've been sat at the desk and yeah, cracking on with the job, cracking on with work. So not had so much time for making content and making videos, but today I have something very exciting. It's my first ever unboxing, something that I'm really looking forward to because I've seen this product. They've very kindly sent me one and it looks really good. I haven't unboxed it yet, haven't opened it. It's just arrived in the post. So I'm going to spin you around, show you what it is, and then I'm going to just do a very quick unboxing in the first instance. And then once I've done the unboxing, I'm going to find a use case for it and I'm going to put it to work. So what are we looking at? This is the Cigman laser distance meter, and they shipped this to me actually from Amazon. So between when we were speaking about it and arriving, it took about a day, maybe a day and a half. So it was very, very quick. A lot of these, products that you can get, being shipped from China, it takes months and months, and then it may never arrive. This one fulfilled by Amazon, so it's in the UK, in their warehouses. What does it do? Well, it is a two-way laser and it's a one-way laser. It can measure up to 120 meters, so 60 meters in either direction. And it's got apparently a very good battery life. It's got a whole load of bits on it. I'm going to show you this. I haven't opened it yet. Let's see. That's nice. Comes in a sturdy case. Okay. What charging cable does it have? So USB at one end. What is it on the other side? Is it one of the old ones? No, okay. USB-C. That's good, because if you lose this one, loads of other products use USB-C. Looks like a decent length of cable as well. Very nice. That's shiny. That looks like it's an LED readout on the screen there as well. So it's probably, does it come with charge? Oh, look, it comes with charge. Very nice. It comes with half decent amount of battery. I haven't read this yet, so I'm going to see how intuitive it is. I think that's probably the only fair way of doing it, right? How easy is it to use? So measure. Now, okay, that's cool. Oh, there's a little laser dot there and a laser dot there. So this is the laser coming out of both ends. If I do that and then I flip it over, so you can see the laser dot there, and I flip it over and there's another laser dot there. So it's measuring in both directions. Oh yeah, you can see that on the screen there. Ah, look, okay, and that's the... So this indicator here is whether it's level or not. So if we change this, okay, yeah, so you can then change the type of laser. So there's a laser there, but no laser on that side. That's fine. So it's measuring, I guess, from, yeah, and now I'm guessing it's measuring, I guess it's measuring from the back here rather than from the front. Interesting. And then splits in half. Interesting, because how would you know whether it's measuring from the front? Okay, yeah, so I suspect this means that this is now measuring on this side, coming from the front here, yeah, okay. Oh yeah, look, there we go. Right, so that's telling me it's measuring from the front of the instrument. Now it's measuring from the back of the instrument, and now it's measuring from the front here, yeah, okay. That's cool. Oh, and look, up here, there's a little degree meter so you can see how much you are out or level. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. Let me... and this rotates. That's good as well. This rotates the screen. What do these things do? Don't know what that is. Ah, so you can record... oh, look at this. Look. So that's in a straight line. Ah, you can measure surface area as well. different angles. That would probably be quite useful if you're trying to pitch a roof, I would guess. And then the height, maybe you're trying to figure out the ridge height that you need it to be once you've pitched that roof. And then that would be very useful if you're then trying to figure out, once you've done the angle and you've worked out the ridge height, figuring out how long the timbers need to be. Okay, so you can measure from a point up and down. And then, yeah, okay, wow. So this then measures, and I guess it records. So if we just pretend, so this is measuring the bottom section here. Press and hold. So that's 2.2 up to the angle of the ceiling. That's then recorded that. Now it's doing the side, so I'd then turn it sideways. Press and hold to measure. Nice. Oh, look, it's adding them all up. Very nice. So assuming that it's a square room, you know that the area is 11.78 square meters. That's very nice. I'm guessing clear button will clear that. Yeah. Clever. This is nifty, isn't it? So what's this distance here? If I... Oh no, that's a window over there, so it's not going to like that, I guess. If I do it on that edge here. So from the window to the door, or from the window frame that way to the door that way, 6.5 meters, 6.4, that's cool. Because I have it split in the middle. I wonder if there's a way that you can use it to find the middle of something. If it knows if it knows the point at one end and it knows the point at the other, maybe if you were to walk along, it would then tell you where the midpoint is. That would be quite clever. Right, let's see how the magnet works. Is the magnet any good? Ooh, yeah, that's a nice strong magnet. Like that, and that would actually make it much easier to then get it in level. Put this up, let's measure. Let's do that. Okay. So it seems to bleep at you all the while until you then hit go again. And so from that wall over there, obviously this is at an angle, but up to that cupboard door there, 7.5 meters. That's clever. Let's do wall to wall just for fun. See? So I'll stick it on this. Clear that off. Let's go again. So I'm going to... now, okay. Clear this. I am still on that function. I want to be on a line. Okay. So we're in the middle there. Press and hold. And so that is going from that wall over there to that counter over there. 8.54 meters. Very nice. Hey, that's cool. Just going to have a quick flick through the instructions because I haven't yet. Let's see. Haven't looked through the instructions yet. Let's have a quick flick through them and see if I've missed anything. That is incredibly intuitive, I've got to say, as a first usage. It's quite a lot. Oh, okay, fine. Lots of different languages. I was going to say this thing can do tons otherwise. Hey, look. So you can actually change the units, all different decimal points. So that's quite handy depending on how accurate you need to be, what degree of tolerance you can accept. You can add up to 3 decimal points, the area, and you can do volume. That's cool. If you're a glutton for punishment, you can do it in inches. Nice. Here we go. Yeah, look, you can measure it from the front of the instrument or from the back of the instrument, depending on the space that you're measuring and where you need it from. Or you can do it in the middle. Bilateral measurement. Yeah, length, area, volume. Angle and height, indirect. Hypotenuse. That's cool. Hey. And you can lock the screen. That's clever. So if you didn't want it rotating, then you could lock it. And it's got a good... Yeah, that magnet is pretty strong. electronic bubble. I mean, so this thing's like 5 or 6 different things in one then. If you've got it as an angle measurement and you've got a spirit level. It's quite small as a spirit level, but it seems very, very precise in the way that it's dialed in. So, you know, when you move it, it's 0.4 of a degree or something. It's very accurate if you need to know what the angle is, rather than just if it's level or not, despite being short. Obviously, a spirit level is more accurate if it's longer. This thing is quite short, but it's digital. So I would imagine it's quite accurate still. And then it's got all the instructions on how to use this thing. And some use case examples. This is really clever. It'll let you know if your battery is running low. I wonder how long it takes to charge it from empty to full. And then you're into the other languages. I gotta say, I am very impressed with this as a first use. I haven't used it yet in a use case. What I'm wondering is if I might try and use it up here. Now, we're going to be getting this glazed, hopefully, in the next few months. A large part of the reason that I haven't been on here is because we ran out of time, but we also ran out of money. This glass here is going to cost quite a chunk of change. And so realistically, the fitters are going to come in and measure it. But what could be quite fun is to use this thing and figure out exactly what I'm going to, you know, the distances between here and here and all the different angles and the lengths as well, because this little machine can do that. So stay tuned for a follow-up video where I'll be measuring this up using that device. Just to remind you, it's the Laser Distance Meter CD-60 by Cigman. That is a nice piece of kit. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Have you used one of these? How did you find it? Have you used another one? I mean, you all know that I am a Bosch fanboy through and through. I don't have one of these from Bosch. I have a laser level from them, which is pretty good, but it doesn't do all this stuff. So, yeah, have a little look. Let me know what you think. Also, there is a discount code down below. This technically is an advert for Cigman. But if I wasn't happy to do it, I'd have sent it back. I've actually had products sent to me in the past that I've sent back and said, I'm sorry, I can't do a review on it because the product was really poor. This one has been a very honest and fair unboxing. Genuinely very impressed. Check out the discount code below. Post a comment, let me know what you think, and stay tuned for the next video.